Hey, welcome back to the shop. The last couple of weeks I've been testing the Algo DIY mini laser engraver. So mine is a 5-watt laser engraver. I believe they offer a 10-watt also. Let me tell you what, this little thing's a beast. Okay, so picture this. You have the Algo DIY mini laser engraver. The possibilities are endless. You can do custom arts and crafts. You can do gifts for friends. You can even start your own small laser engraving business and build it. And who doesn't like DIY projects? They're fun. Okay, here's some of the cool items that I've done. I've engraved metal business cards, slate coasters, boxes, just to see if it would do it. This is solid elm, not plywood. Job site safety tip sign for the shop. Tested it out on a photo. Very good results. Could be better if I tweaked the settings a little bit, but I'm quite happy with the way it turned out for first shot. If you have friends that are animal lovers, you can make them little signs and plaques to hang on their wall for their animals. Here's another example. I have a pup that I rescued, and I made a little sign. And then everybody knows about adult responsibilities. So I made a little sign, another day ruined because of adult responsibility. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. So feel free to check out the link below, pick one up, do some engraving, have some fun doing it. And be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Remember, links are all below for you. Discount code is down below for you.